Now I'll show you how to add a domain name. Uh, Practically, you won't be able to do it until you publish your theme and pick a plan. However, I'll show you now how to do it. So go to Online Store and Domains. So here you can connect existing domain, whether it is being hosted on Shopify or on other platforms such as GoDaddy or Namecheap, or you can transfer domain to be hosted by Shopify. Alternatively, if you haven't got a domain, you can buy a new domain from Shopify, and the process is as simple as buying a domain in other provider. You pick obviously the name and the extension and pay for the period of the domain, and this way the Shopify domain will be connected automatically to your store. However, if you already have a domain and you don't want to transfer it, you want to keep it with your current domain host, with your current provider, but simply want to add it to your online store, this is the simplest solution. Simply click on Connect Existing Domain and you can paste in your URL. Let's say I want to connect my domain name. Obviously, I won't do it, but I'll show you just an example. Click Next. And now Shopify will automatically detect where the domain name is hosted, and then you can follow the instructions in the next step. Once it's done, simply verify connection. And it's as simple as that. It's really straightforward to connect domain to your Shopify store. Bear in mind that different providers will have different instructions, so not all instructions will work the same way. So make sure to simply follow the instructions as shown in your Shopify admin. Once that's done, simply verify a connection to see that the domain is connected correctly, and it should be live within 24 hours.